Have you ever wondered if numbers could be real or imaginary? Well, today we'll be diving into what real numbers are. The topics we'll be going through today are number lines, inequality signs, negative numbers, integer operations, rational and irrational numbers, order of operation, fractional operation, and decimal operation. So, what is a number line? A number line is basically a straight line where numbers are shown in order, with the smaller numbers on the left and bigger numbers on the right. So, this is an example of a number line. What a number line does is it helps us visualize which numbers are bigger or smaller. So, let's take 3, 3, and 5 as an example. So, 5 is bigger than 3 because it is on the right of 3. And another example of this is if we take -2 and -4. -4 is smaller than -2 because it is on the left of -2. A number line also helps us tell which numbers are positive and negative numbers. So any number left of 0 on a number line is negative, and any number right of 0 is positive. However, 0 by itself is neither positive nor negative.
Click subscribe to become smarter with Learn Maths Today channel.